Ever feel like your cat has a secret alarm set for the exact moment you're busiest? You're deep into work, finally tackling that chore, or just trying to get some sleep, and then, bam! A fluffy torpedo demands attention. Because in their world, your to-do list gets bumped for belly rubs, keyboard time, or a midnight snuggle.
The truth. Your cat's agenda always comes first. Now you know.
Hey, really? I'm in the middle of something. Come on, bud. That's not okay. Yep. All right. You're just gonna sit there. All right then.
Buddy, I'm trying to work here.
Order, and if we align those numbers by Friday, we'll be in a good spot for the board review. Yes, the growth projections are still on track. Excuse me a second. Yeah, we're good. Sorry.
Hey, no, these are folded. They were folded. You're just moving in? Okay. Guess it's your sweater now. All right, big purr monster. I'll refold later.
Okay, hi. You want attention, huh? All right, there you go. Happy now?
Hi, Mr. Needy.
So, oh my, it's 2 in the morning, dude. Hey, glass. Oh, come on. Okay, chaos cat. Done?
Oh, hey, you don't care about my phone, huh? Okay. All right, guess we're done scrolling. You're ridiculous.
Hey, watch the knife, buddy. No, that's not for you. Meow. You're not helping, you know that? Yep, still not helping.
Excuse me. Yeah, right on the page, huh? Guess reading's canceled. You're too cute to move.
But hey, what if you don't give your cat attention? Well, here's what happens.
Hey.
Yep. I deserve this. Carry on.
Hmm? Hey, don't. Shh. Oh my gosh, seriously.
All right, okay, you win.
Wait, don't even think of it. Whoa, no, Milo!
Come on!
Get off the keyboard. Hey.